How you doing, everybody? So this is Yaya from Nova Lily Herbals or Conscious Living on YouTube. So this is a dandelion, and they told us that this was a weed, but guess what? Dandelion is one of the healthiest things that you can ingest, from the flower to the root to the leaves. So don't kill your dandelions. Harvest them, all of them. They're very good for the liver, for the blood. So if you like to indulge in liquor or something like that, or you have issues with your liver, take in some dandelion. With the root, you can dry it and make dandelion coffee. With the flowers, you can make a tincture. You can bake with them, like make cookies and put dandelion flowers in them. And then with the leaves, you can eat the young ones, the tender young ones, in a salad. You can saute them. The bigger the leaf, the more bitter it is. Or what I do is I juice them. See, I have a whole basket. I'm going to juice them. And also you can make tinctures. And I do make a dandelion tincture. And I take it almost every day because I don't have a gallbladder. So I don't process fats like people do. And your liver and your gallbladder have a lot to do with your bowel, your digestive system. So I take my tincture, I put it in my coffee, my drinks. It tastes really good. Sometimes with dandelion, I make honey dandelion. It is so nice. You can also make dandelion wine, dandelion beer. So don't believe the hype, okay? Dandelions are not weeds. They are the creator's way of giving us things to use, plants to use to heal ourselves. So get you some dandelion. Bye, y'all.